Instagram messages automatically deleted, how to fix a DM glitch. Now, messages don't auto-delete themselves unless the other person unsent that message that they have sent you, or you might have turned on disappearing messages. So whenever you turn on disappearing messages by swiping up like this, vanish mode will be enabled, right? So whenever you send these messages and then you come back, and if the other person has seen that message will be deleted. So in that case, disappearing or vanish mode might have been enabled. So you might have to just disable that vanish mode by simply swiping up like this to release the disappearing messages. But if that's not helping, then you can try to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram application and see if that helps you. Go to your Play Store or App Store and also search for the Instagram app there, check if it has an update, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version as well. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem and understand the issue. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.